Hello children, once again I'm back with a new grammar lesson of class 4, chapter 7, nouns. And today we are going to learn about nouns. Okay? So before starting nouns, here something is written. See, sentences are made up of words. These words belong to different classes or groups. These groups or classes are called part of speech. So what is written? सेंटेंसेस जो है किससे बने होते हैं? वर्ड्स से. जब हर वर्ड्स अलग से ऐड होता है, when we add some words, that it forms a sentence. Okay, these words belong to different classes or groups. These groups or classes are called parts of speech. So there are how many parts of speech, children? There are 8 parts of speech, and they are noun, adjective, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. So here we are going to discuss about noun. Okay, so firstly, see here, look at this picture. What is this? This is a school. Okay, so school is the name of a place. Preeti Sen. Preeti Sen is the name of a person. Dog. Dog is the name of an animal. And board. Board is the name of a thing. So these naming words are called nouns. So the name of person, place, animal, things are called nouns. Children, you got my words? Now here we have some exercises to be done. Okay, so see first one. Underline the nouns in the following sentences. So first one is, see first one, mother baked cakes and biscuits. So what you have to do here? You have to find out which is noun, and after that you have to underline the nouns in these sentences. So mother is a name of a person, so it is noun. So this is noun, so you just underline mother. Cakes, biscuits. So cakes is a thing and biscuits is also a thing, so you underline cakes and biscuits. Like this. Try some yourself. Here that's all, and you have to do by yourself. I have already explained you one, and I hope you can make this all. Now come to second one. B. Underline the nouns in the following story. Same as the first one. In the first one, there is sentences, and here as a short story is given over here, and you have to underline the nouns in the given story. Okay, this is so easy. And come to option C. Fill in the blanks with the correct nouns from the box below. Here you have to fill the blanks with the correct nouns. The correct noun are given below in these boxes. So you have to select the correct noun and then fill the blanks. See first one. The dash was wearing a red hat. Who is wearing a red hat? So you have to guess, and you have to select a proper noun for this. Which one is the actual noun? Stars, cows, cake, chess, school, water, river, cowboy, boy or ship. So here we will write down the boy was wearing a red hat. So I am going to write here, the boy was wearing a red hat. Is your desk closed today? So what we will fill here? Is your school closed today? Okay, like this. Try to do all. Okay. Now come to another one. D. Circle the words that are not nouns. हम लोग इसके पहले क्या करते आ रहे थे चिल्ड्रन कि which one is noun, underline the nouns or choose the correct nouns and fill in the blanks. Okay, now here we have to circle which words are not noun. यहाँ पे जो शब्द नाउन नहीं है आपको उन्हें सर्कल करना है. So see first one, sing, boy, girl, school, teacher. Boy is the name of a person, girl is the name of a person, school is the name of a place, teacher is the name of a person. So which one is not noun? Sing. So we have to circle sing. Sing. Sing is not a noun. Okay. Come to second one. Baby is also a name of a person. Talk. Ship. Ship is a name of an animal. Moon. Star. These are things. So here talk. So here I'm circle talk here. Okay. Then talk is not a noun. Okay. I hope कि आप लोग समझ रहे होंगे कि how you have to do this. So do it correctly in your book. We have some more exercises related with this chapter. So come to that one. Here C, come to E. Find nouns from the word grid using the clues given below. What you have to do, children? Here you have to find nouns from the word given in the grid with the help of the clues. The clues are given here and you have to find the noun. Okay? A large animal. Which one is a large animal? Can you guess? So you have to search here which one is a large animal. Large animal. Elephant. Elephant is a large animal. An elephant is a large animal. Then we will circle elephant. Okay. The elephant is a large animal. Okay. See second one. It is made of wood and we keep things on it. So children, here see, it is made of wood and we keep things on it. ये किसका बना हुआ है? वुड का. और हम लोग इस पे क्या रखते हैं? कोई भी सामान हम इसके ऊपर रखते हैं. तो was it? What is it? So it is a table. So see here, table. So we will circle table. Okay. I hope आपको समझ आ गया होगा. So आप इसी तरह ये सारा बना लेंगे बुक में. And the last one is F. Can you say who am I? It is type of a puzzle. Okay, you have to guess who they are. See first one. I cut hair. Who cut our hair? हमारे बाल कौन काटता है? Barber. So we will write barber. B-A-R-B-E-R. Barber. Okay. So barber cuts our hairs. I fly aeroplanes. हवाई जहाज कौन उड़ाता है? Obviously, pilot. So we will write pilot here. Okay. So children, this is very easy and I hope कि आप लोग अच्छे से कर लेंगे and you didn't get any problem. So do it in your book. Also complete this exercise and try your best to do all. I hope you can do it. So all these are your homeworks. So do it. Try to do all the rest exercises. Okay. And also do one thing. Learn what is noun and also revise what is part of speech. Okay. So thank you children. See you again with a new chapter. So till then, bye. Have a nice day.